Hi kids! We are going to finalize our thoughts on area and perimeter. I want you to take a moment and look at the two images in front of you. What do these images tell you about area and perimeter? Think about that for a moment. I would like for you to pause the video and record in your journal your thoughts on what these two images say to you about area and perimeter. Pause the video now. Now that you have recorded your thoughts about these two images, let's take a moment to look at another image. Here's an image. Think about what you know about area and perimeter. How would we apply area and perimeter to this image? Think about that for a moment. Take a real good look at the picture to see how would you apply area and perimeter to this image. I would like for you to pause the video and record your thoughts on how we could possibly apply area and perimeter to this situation. Pause the video now. Now that you have recorded your thoughts about this image, once this video is completed, I would like for you to use the discussion section of Edmodo right underneath the video to talk to your classmates about what the first two images said to you about area and perimeter, these images that you recorded, and how you would use area and perimeter in this situation. We will take those responses and we will use them in class tomorrow as we're beginning to do our work. We have concluded our study of area and perimeter, and so now we would like to extend our knowledge on that. So in class tomorrow we'll be doing an activity that will extend our knowledge. But what I would like for you to do tonight in your journal is to take care of the following assignment. You're going to use your math journal to answer the questions that follow. So you need to think about what you recall about perimeter and area. Think about your responses to those images. Now, I would like for you to use this chart below to describe how area and perimeter are similar and how they are different. And here's the chart that you will be recording your responses in. And remember, you can go back to this as often as you need to make sure that you have this recorded. And I would like for you to record the chart as well in your journal. So here's what you are working on, recording similarities and differences between perimeter and area. And here is the chart that you will be using to do that. And once you are finished with this portion, the last thing that I would like for you to do in your journal is to complete this question. What are some errors that a student may make while working with area and perimeter? So we want to take a moment and analyze some errors that could possibly be made. So I would like for you to put this in your journal as well. So now remember to make sure that you work within this section of your journal as well as responding to the questions about the images, and you should have already done that at this point. I also want you to remember to go back to the responses section in Edmodo underneath this video to respond to your classmates about what you felt these pictures were saying to you about area and perimeter. Okay? And then finally, again, once you get to this portion, you just record this in your journal. You do not have to put this portion on Edmodo. I'm going to record this assignment as a note and not put it as an assignment, so you do not have to hit the turn in button. You just need to make sure that you watch the video and are prepared for class tomorrow. Okay, that's all for now. See you all in class tomorrow.